Who are the richest tennis players in the world? If you like tennis, then this video is for you. You will be surprised to know that the richest tennis player in the world is not as obvious as you think. Here is a list of the 10 richest tennis players in the world.
Please subscribe us and click on bell icon for more updates.
Number 10.
John McEnroe. Net worth $100 million. In our top 10 list, former American tennis player John McEnroe is at number 10. He has had a very successful career and amassed a net worth of $100 million. He is probably best known for his tantrums on the pitch, which often get in trouble with officials. During his career, he won 7 single Grand Slam titles. In 1999, he was inducted into the International Tennis Hall of Fame.
Number 9.
Andy Murray. Net worth $100 million. Scottish professional tennis player and Wimbledon winner Andy Murray have a net worth of $100 million. Since 2007, Andy has been one of the best tennis players in the world. He is a 2 Grand Slam winner, defeating Tsonga in 2012 to win his first Wimbledon title. That win put him in the record books as the first British Wimbledon champion in 77 years. Andy makes about $10 to $15 million a year with earnings on and off the pitch.
Number 8.
Maria Sharapova. Net worth $135 million. Number 8 on the list is Maria Sharapova, born in Russia. She has become one of the highest paid female athletes of all time. At 17, she had won her first Grand Slam event. She would go on to be more successful and win many competitions, including the US Open in 2006 and the Australian Open in 2008. Sharapova has been ranked as number 1 female in the world at least 5 times in her career.
Number 7.
P.T. Sampras. Net worth $150 million. P.T. Sampras is an American retired tennis player with a net worth of $150 million. Sampras has always been a crowd favorite and had an impressive 14-year career, winning 14 Grand Slam singles titles. P.T. was named ATP Player of the Year for 6 consecutive years, from 1993 to 1998. During his career, he earned about $43 million in prize money and about $100 million or more from sponsorship deals and appearances as guests.
Number 6.
Andre Agassi. Net worth $175 million. Andre Agassi is a retired American professional tennis player who has a net worth of $175 million. He turned pro in 1986 and earned more than $2 million in 2 years. His success continued, and he was one of only 2 male players to ever win a career Golden Slam. Agassi founded a charitable foundation for at-risk children in Nevada and pays for a K-12 children's school. Unfortunately, Agassi had a lot of back problems, which ultimately led to his official retirement in 2006.
Number 5.
Serena Williams. Net worth $180 million. In 5th place is a lady who needs no introduction. Serena Williams is one of the best tennis players of all time. The world champion has won 18 Grand Slam titles, has been ranked number 1 in the world 5 times, and has won gold medals at the London, Sydney, and Beijing Olympics. She makes an average of between $10 to $20 million a year from endorsement and sponsorship deals and is the highest earning tennis player in history.
Number 4.
Rafael Nadal. Net worth $180 million. One of the most passionate tennis players on our list is Rafael Nadal. He is a professional tennis player from Manacor, Spain, and has a net worth of $180 million. He has won one of the biggest prizes in the history of the game, around $103 million. The former world number one brings millions of dollars a year in numerous deals and sponsorships.
Number 3.
Novak Djokovic. Net worth $200 million. Among our top 3, Novak Djokovic is a Serbian professional tennis player who has a net worth of $200 million. He turned pro in 2003 and has won over $119 million in tournament prizes. His successes include winning Wimbledon 4 times, the Australian Open 6 times, the French Open once, and the US Open 3 times. He also won bronze medals at the 2008 and 2012 Olympics. In 2018, Novak earned $3.8 million by winning the US Open.
Number 2.
Roger Federer. Net worth $450 million. Arguably the greatest tennis player of all time, Roger Federer ranks second on our list of the richest tennis players in the world. Roger is a Swiss professional tennis player who started playing tennis at a young age. After training in youth camps and academies from the age of 8, Roger turned pro in 1999. Roger became the youngest member of the ATP Top 100 and represented Switzerland at the Olympics in 2000. Roger was the number 1 player in the world. He has also won Wimbledon, Australian Open, French Open, and US Open. He is one of the highest paid athletes and the richest tennis players in the world.
Number 1.
Ion Tiriac. Net worth $2 billion. Romanian businessman and former professional tennis player, Ion Tiriac wins the title of richest tennis player in the world. When he played tennis professionally, he won the Bavarian International Tennis Championship in 1970. He is best known for his doubles successes, where he achieved 22 career victories and occupied the 19th position in doubles tennis. In April 1979, he won a gold medal in singles and doubles representing Romania at the Summer Universiade in Budapest in 1965. After retiring from tennis, he founded a private bank, Banca Tiriac, in 1990 and became the first Romanian to join the Forbes Billionaires list in 2007.